friends, welcome to Calyx Apothecary. I've got 2 more DIY home cleaning recipes for you. And if you add that to the 3 that I shared and demonstrated last episode, you will walk away with 5. You'll have access to 5 natural home cleaning recipes that will get you well on your way and create kind of this mini arsenal of information to help you start your journey to getting those toxic chemicals out of your home. The recipes that I'm sharing with you are non-toxic, safe, animal safe, kid safe, effective, affordable, and super easy. Like so easy that the time it takes you probably to walk to your car, you could make one. And if you're gonna get in your car and drive to the store and buy chemical cleaners, you will be saving so much money. You're welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to do a tub and tile scrub for your bathroom and a wood floor cleaner. So let's do this. So for the tub and tile scrub, I'm going to start with 1 cup of baking soda, which I've already put here in this glass container. And then we'll put 1/4 cup of Castile soap. I use unscented because we're going to be adding essential oils later. Important to note to use a glass container because essential oils are, especially therapeutic grade oils, are very strong and can actually break down the plastic molecules over time and therefore leach petrochemicals into your cleaners, which I'm assuming is something you don't want. Next, we'll put in the hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. And then for this, I'm going to put eucalyptus and tangerine oils in. I really like eucalyptus because of the camphor and the menthol smell. It smells really clean to me, and eucalyptus actually blends really well with citrus oils. And so I'm using tangerine as the citrus in this one. It's got a really bright, uplifting, fresh, clean scent, and it's naturally antiseptic and antibacterial, as a lot of citrus oils are. It also has an energizing, mood-lifting effect, I think. So from here, you're going to go ahead and mix up the mixture really well. And eventually it will look like a paste like this. And there you go. Voila. So there you have it. I would say this is about a month worth. I wouldn't keep it longer than that because it tends to lose its potency after that amount of time. What I like, and if you don't think you'll use this much, just cut the recipe in half. I like to just put it in my shower or on the shelf near my shower so it's easily accessible, because you can actually just clean while you're in the shower. I mean, why not? Take care of 2 things at once. So anyway, enjoy. Up next, wood floor cleaner. Let's go. So for the wood floor cleaner, you're going to start with 1 cup of water. Next, 1 cup of white vinegar. White vinegar has antimicrobial properties. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil, which is very nourishing and very protecting for your wood floor surfaces. And then a tablespoon of Castile soap, which is not shown here. I ended up adding it later, but important ingredient. And then the essential oils we're going to use are lemon and cedarwood. Lemon, antimicrobial as well, a bright, fresh scent. And cedarwood, I love so much, especially for floors and wood. It's just a warm, woody aroma that's really grounding. And cedarwood and lemon mix very well together. One thing to note, which is great about this, is it's a super simple recipe. It does not streak your floors. You don't have to rinse. It's just a one-time thing and just creates beautiful floors. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something. If you like this content, press the subscribe button. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. If you want me to cover off on any plants or any DIY home cleaning hacks or anything, any essential oils, go ahead and put those in the comments as well. I would love to accommodate that if possible. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.